Hello everyone, Andy here. Let's have a look at the DAX futures on the Wanda platform for Tuesday, October 24. For the record, today is Monday, October 23. The time is around 6:15 p.m. GMT. So here we are looking at the 4-hour chart, and we are approaching our wave 2 area. Here the scenario played out where we did not reach our wave X area. So this was projected as a wave X area. But I told you there might be a chance that we would not reach it because the Nasdaq was ready. The Nasdaq reached its area after a three-wave correction. The DAX did not, and this was a bit the kind of difficult situation we had. There was like the indices were not really in sync, and it turned out that the market followed the Nasdaq, and so the DAX did not reach this area right here. So now the question is, what can we further expect? Well, I'm still thinking we are working on this wave 2 here. I'm already thinking this for a while. So now the question is, what will be the path that we follow to make this wave 2? There are two possibilities, so we still need to reach this area. I see two possibilities for now. One is here indicated in green, the WXY scenario. So then we have our wave W right here. We had the shallow wave X, and it means that we would now should be working on the wave Y. Now, we know our wave W, we know our wave X. So if we take the length of the wave W, the length of the wave X, then this here becomes our target area, the area between the 1 and the 1.618 FIB extension. There's also another possibility, a secondary scenario where we count this here as a wave A. So 5 waves down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we look here at the daily, like we end here with divergence. We broke the RSI trend line as a wave 4. So that would be a possible scenario. The only thing I do not really like about this scenario is here, this first wave. For me, this is 3 waves, 1, 2, 3, and not 5. And so a wave 1 should be an impulse, should have 5 waves. And I do not really see the 5 waves in here. Therefore, I prefer the WXY scenario as indicated in green. And so then let's zoom in to the 1 hour time frame. And actually, we will kind of soon know if it is the WXY scenario or the ABC, because it looks like so far we have only 3 waves here, 1, 2, 3. So I would count this as ABC, and it means that from this area here we should see upside as a wave X here. And then the target area for this wave X becomes, if we take the length of the wave W, so assuming that this here is the low, then we should go here into the area between the 0.5 and the 0.854 FIB retracement. Now, if we would make another low, then from here, it looks like we will have 5 waves indicated in red, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so then it would mean from here we can see upside again, be it as a wave B, or be it as the wave Y unfolding as an A, B, C. That's also a possibility. Of course, it is currently not on the chart yet, because the main question now is, will we react from this wave 4 area? So if we take the length here of the wave 3, this is the wave 4 area, which is, I'm sorry, so 1, 2. So from here, this is the 3. Yeah, so this should be the wave 4 area right here. So then the question is, like, we can expect a fifth wave down from here. That's a possibility. However, if we do not respect the wave 4 area, then then we kind of have a confirmation that we are doing the WXY scenario right here, as indicated in green. So for the moment, we broke or we try to break, or we are breaking here the downward cycle. So I would expect some upsides in the short term, in the next hours or days, but this upside can be very short-lived. If it is a wave 4, then we won't see that much upside. It can actually already be finished because we reached our wave 4 area. However, it could also be that we move into this area, the wave X area, and then from here we can turn down again. Okay, that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work, and I see you tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.